Welcome! In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. To do that, open the Start menu and search for the CMD application here. It looks something like this. Run it as administrator by clicking this option right here. Click Yes. And then in the following field, input power CFG / battery report. Press enter and you will see a path like this. Select it with the left key of your mouse and then right click on it to copy. Then you can close the CMD program and open the File Explorer, and in the File Explorer or in your browser open the path field and paste the copied path right here. Then press enter and you will see this battery report on your screen. Now on this page you can see all the usage and power consuming information and graphs about your battery, but the only thing that matters to us now is the design capacity and the full charge capacity. So the design capacity is the capacity of your battery that was provided to you when you bought it, if you bought a new device, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of your battery, that basically the amount of power that it is currently able to consume and basically provide you with. So as you can see, the full charge capacity, so the current capacity, is way lower than the designed one. That means that this battery is worn out slightly for around 13 watts per hour. So if I replace this battery, it would work around I'd say 30% more for me. So it's a decent time to consider replacing the battery at this point. But basically that's how you do it. So as for now, my battery can only can only hold up to 29 watts, and it's used to be able to hold up to 42 watts of power. So this battery is at this point it should be replaced, and that's how you check your battery health. And I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.